Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Grafana on macOS for metrics visualization step by step clearly. To install Grafana on macOS for metrics visualization, start by opening the terminal application. Ensure you have Homebrew installed on your system. If Homebrew is not installed, visit brew.sh to download and install it. Once Homebrew is ready, update it to make sure you have the latest package definitions. Type the command brew update and press enter. Next, use Homebrew to install Grafana. Enter the command brew install Grafana and hit enter. Wait for the installation to complete. After the installation finishes, you can start the Grafana server. Type the command brew services start Grafana and press enter. This command will run Grafana in the background. Now, open your web browser. In the address bar, enter http://localhost 3000. This is the default address to access Grafana. You should see the Grafana login page. The default username is admin, and the default password is also admin. Log in using these credentials. You will be prompted to change the default password after your first login. Choose a new password and save it. Now you are ready to start visualizing metrics with Grafana. Explore the various options to connect data sources and create dashboards. Be sure to check the official Grafana documentation for more advanced configurations. Enjoy using Grafana for your metrics visualization needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.